Hello everyone, Christine Forner here from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I am very excited to be coming to Australia in October of 2020 to talk to you all about the worlds of dissociation and mindfulness. These two worlds are not talked about very frequently, mostly I think because they are polar opposites. So in this 2-day training, I intend on informing you and teaching you the nuances of what dissociation is in comparison to mindfulness. Because when the two worlds actually get combined, when the two worlds get compared to, you can actually learn and we can understand far more about us as a human being than perhaps just looking at one world or the other. And so in this 2-day discussion and in this 2-day talk, I intend on describing what dissociation is and what mindfulness is and the intersection between the two worlds so that you can learn better ways to work with your client, but you can also understand more about yourself and become a much more at ease and or proficient practitioner. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in October of 2020. Thank you. Bye-bye.